So the greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by this number is this 8640. But the required number leaves a remainder 13 in each case. So you have to add 13 with this number. So the required number is 8653. 8653. This will be the required number or required answer. Okay. Next, question number 10. Find the number nearest to 999 but greater than this number. Nearest to this number but greater than this number. That means you have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by this number. You have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by this number. So which is exactly divisible by this number. That means you have to find the LCM 5, 4 and 10. LCM of 5, 4 and 10. 5 ones are 5, 4, 10. 2 ones, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Then the LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 5. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 25 fives are 100. But this is not a... you have to find the number nearest to 999 but greater than this number. We have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 100. Exactly divisible by 100. 999 এর থেকে বড় আবার 999 এর নিয়ারেস্ট। তো 999 এর থেকে 999 is the greatest 3-digit number। এর বড় নাম্বারটা কি হবে? smallest 4-digit number হবে। So you have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 100. So you have to divide this number by, you have to divide the smallest 4-digit number by 100. So 100 ones are 100. 0, that means this will be 0. Okay, so the required number is 100 multiplied by 10, that is 1000. This will be the number which is greater than 999 but nearest to 999, exactly divisible by 5, 4 and 10. Okay. Next question, question number 11. Find the number nearest to 1000 but greater than 1000 which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 18. Which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 18. So exactly divisible by this number. So first of all you have to find the LCM and then you have to find the number which is exactly divisible by that LCM and nearest to 1000 but greater than 1000. ওকে, যে নাম্বারটা ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে সেটা এই নাম্বারগুলো দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল হবে অ্যান্ড 1000 এর নিয়ারেস্ট হবে 1000 থেকে বড় হবে। সো ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য এলসিএম। First of all you have to find the LCM 8, 12 and 18. This equal to 2 4s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Then this will be divided by 3 but 4 is not divisible by 3, so 4 will remain same. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 2, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So the LCM is 72. So the number nearest to 1000 which is exactly divisible by 72. Divisible by 72 is, so to find this number you have to divide 1000 by 72. 72 280. Then this equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 4 8 minus 1, that is 6, 64 is, so this will be 1000 1000 minus 64, that means that equal to 6, this equal to 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, 936, but this is not greater than 1000. So this is not greater than 1000. So the required number will be, সো আমাদেরকে এমন একটা নাম্বার খুঁজতে হবে যেটা 936 এর ঠিক নেক্সট নাম্বারটা হবে বাট ডিভিজিবল বাই দিস 72। আমাদেরকে এমন একটা নাম্বার ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে যেটা 936 এর পরে হবে বাট 72 দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল হবে। সো হাউ ক্যান ইউ ফাইন্ড দ্যাট? দিস উইল বি 1000 minus 64 plus 72, that means 936 plus 72, 1008. This will be the correct answer. Question number 11. Okay. Next, question number 14. Find the largest number which divides 87 and 95, leaving remainder 3 and 5 respectively. Find the largest number. Largest number find out korte hobe. That means you have to find the HCF. HCF, but which numbers you need to find the HCF? 87 and 95, leaving remainder 3 and 5 in each case respectively. 87 কি করছে 3 রিমাইন্ডার রাখছে, 95 5 রিমাইন্ডার রাখছে। এবার এই নাম্বারগুলো দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল হবে এমন একটা লার্জেস্ট নাম্বার ফাইন্ড আউট করতে হবে। ফার্স্টেই আমরা কি করব, যেহেতু রিমাইন্ডার রাখছি আমরা 87 থেকে 3 মাইনাস করব, 95 থেকে 5 মাইনাস করব। 87 minus 3 is 84, 95 minus 5 is 90. Now you have to find the HCF of this number. So how can you find the HCF? By division method. 60, this is equal to 6, 60, 84, 6 ones are 6, 2, 6 fours are 24. So the HCF is 6. HCF is 6. So the largest number is the largest number, or the required number is 6. This will be the answer. Okay. Next question, question number 16. A rectangular courtyard of 10 meter 45 centimeter breadth, 15 meter 12 centimeter length is to paved with same size square stones. Find the least possible number of such stones. So how can you find the least possible number such stones? How can you find the number? So if you divide the area of the courtyard by the area of the square stones, you will find the least possible number of such stones. But how can you find that? How can you find the area of the courtyard, and how can you find the area of this square stones? Remember this, when a rectangular courtyard is paved with same size square stones, then the area of the square stones will be the HCF of the length and breadth of the courtyard, and the area of the courtyard will be the LCM of this length and breadth. So first of all you have to convert length and breadth into centimeter. The length is 15 meter 12 centimeter. So meter, decimeter, centimeter. So for converting meter into centimeter, you have to multiply it by 100. 100 দিয়ে multiply করতে হয় মিটার থেকে সেন্টিমিটারে যেতে গেলে, বিকজ সেন্টিমিটার মিটার থেকে 2 ইউনিট রাইট সাইডে লাই করে। So 1500 plus 12 centimeter, this equal to 1512 centimeter. Breadth is 1044 centimeter. So the area of the square stones will be the HCF of this and this. Okay. What will be the HCF of this number? You will find the HCF by division method, and then you can get 36. This will be 36 centimeter square. This will be the area of the square stones. Okay. Now you have to find out the area of the rectangular courtyard. Area of the courtyard will be LCM of 1044 and 1512. 1044 1512. How can you find the LCM? 48 504 আমরা যদি এবার 3 দিয়ে আবার ডিভাইড করি হবে 116 168 দেন আমরা 4 দিয়ে যদি দেই হবে 29 42. So the LCM will be 3 into 3 into 4 into 29 into 42. 3 3 is a 9, 4 is a 36. 36 multiplied by 29 into 42. This will be the area of the courtyard. So the required number of stones will be the area of the courtyard by the area of the stones chips. Area of the stones equal to 36 into 29 into 42 divided by 36. If you multiply these two numbers 29 and 42, you will get the answer. Okay, so you will multiply these two numbers by yourself. I am not doing this multiplication. You will do this multiplication by yourself. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand all the questions from this assignment. So you have to solve all the questions from this assignment after watching this video.